Oggi parliamo di un argomento molto interessante anche se un po' trascurato, le finiture.
Today we're talking about a very interesting topic, though sometimes slightly overlooked, the finishes. Here we have pietra spiccata. We divided this panel into 4 parts because we wanted to tell you about the different finishes. I want to make a live demonstration because actual moves in reality are much clearer and more important than words and technical data sheets. So we'll start with an application of Cera, and then I'll show you Vetro and Vetro Opaco, which is brand new, step by step. We're going to see the application system and its different performances.
Sistema applicativo e poi vediamo le diverse performance. Bene, cominciamo con la Cera. La Cera bisogna darne poca.
Well, let's start with Cera. You have to apply just a little. It's a completely natural product providing breathability and a water-repellent result. You need only just a bit because otherwise, this is a common mistake, if you apply too much you'll end up with some holes and light stains, which is not good. Please show us, Andrea. As always, Instinto absorbs completely. You don't need a lot of product to get the effect you're looking for.
Il muro è già liscio di suo.
Well, the wall itself is already smooth. Just by applying Cera, it's shiny. Now we use a cloth to polish it permanently.
Polverata per lucidarlo definitivamente. Ecco, qui vediamo.
Here we see the difference between Cera and no Cera, therefore from shiny to matte. Later we'll see their different performances compared to Vetro.
Che ci dà questa differenza quando ci andremo a paragonare con il vetro.
Now let's apply Vetro Opaco, the latest innovation.
Eccoci, questo
By popular demand, here's Vetro Opaco, useful to create a strong water resistance for both kitchen and the shower stall. This product is applied undiluted with a sponge. In this case, we should apply plenty of it, because, unlike Cera, this product can have problems if we rub it too much. Because when it's rubbed, it captures air, so it emulsifies and tends to become white. Therefore, it must be spread evenly and abundantly without rubbing.
tende a diventare bianco. Allora cercheremo di dare prodotto, di distribuirlo in modo uniforme e abbondante, senza strofinare. Ecco, qui abbiamo dato una mano, naturalmente in un box doccia daremo anche 2 mani, in una cucina.
Here we applied just 1 coat. For a shower stall or kitchen, we'll need 2 coats to be sure the wall gets full protection. Now we apply Vetro Lucido to see the difference.
Così vediamo la differenza tra questi 2 prodotti. Ho detto prima, un accorgimento è...
As I said before, a useful tip for Vetro is to apply it abundantly, without rubbing it, to prevent emulsion, i.e. the air entering through friction, which doesn't go out anymore and causes unpleasant white stains. Whereas the white stains we see now will disappear completely once they're dry, and what we'll eventually get is this glass-like result.
Invece le macchie bianche che vediamo adesso, che sono del materiale, quando sarà asciutto scompariranno completamente e resterà questa sensazione di vetro. Ecco, passata una notte, la prima mano è asciugata.
Well, one night has gone. The first coat is completely dry. Let's recap. Instinto Natural, Cera del Vecchio, Vetro Opaco and Vetro Lucido. Obviously, if we have to work on a shower stall, we'll have to use a fair amount of protective treatment. So we apply another coat of Vetro, both Opaco and Lucido, to fill all the holes and make sure there's no absorption in the wall. Now we proceed using a paintbrush because we need to go into all the details. This is Vetro Lucido. The paintbrush we're using is a brush made for resins which won't show the lines of the application. The test is over and now we have 4 different finishes. There's nothing here. Here we applied 2 coats of Cera. Here 2 coats of Vetro Opaco, which is brand new. And here below 2 coats of Vetro Lucido. This protection is suitable to all our lime-based products, namely Spirito Libero and, as in this case, Instinto. So we have 4 finishes and 4 performances. Here it's totally breathable.
Che oggi è molto attuale.
Here Cera del Vecchio is fully water repellent and yet breathable.
Totalmente idrorepellente ma ancora traspira, l'aria e l'acqua passano.
Here we have Vetro Opaco and Vetro Lucido, which are made for bathrooms or kitchens and provide full protection against water streams. Imagine a shower stall. We'll protect it with 2 coats of this product, and then we can safely use it for years because water won't penetrate inside the wall.
Anni e anni e anni, perché l'acqua non penetra dentro nel muro. La calce, perché tutta questa attenzione sulla calce? Perché è un prodotto
Why do we focus so much on lime? Because it's a fully natural product and totally breathable. The technical specifications are clear, but the demonstration we're making today goes beyond the technical data sheets because you can see for yourself the real value of this product. Now I'm going to spray water on Instinto, and you'll see how it's immediately absorbed.
Come viene l'acqua immediatamente assorbita.
As you can see, Instinto is absorbing.
Assorbe. Cosa succede con la cera? Perché Instinto ha questa magia, il prodotto alla calce ha questa magia. Posso cambiare le performance in base alla finità.
What happens with Cera? We see that Cera is water repellent, so it tends to slip away. It's only absorbed in a few points because it maintains its breathability.
E punto perché ancora mantiene questa traspirabilità. Andiamo invece.
Let's see now what happens with Vetro, both Opaco and Lucido.
Opaco, che è il vetro lucido.
Water keeps flowing here, it's not absorbed. These are the outstanding features of this product.
Le grandi caratteristiche eccezionali di questo prodotto. Vi faccio notare una cosa
Let me
in
show
più.
you one more thing. You see, we still have some little absorptions here. So when we work on a shower stall or on the back of a sink, we'll have to apply Vetro once again to fill all these micro cracks to finally have a fully waterproof wall.
Parci di andare a ripassare vetro, a chiudere tutti questi queste piccole micro fessure in modo di avere una parete completamente impermeabile e poter dare così una possibile variazione di finitura per...
Now we only have to start working and have fun with bathrooms and kitchens.
Non resta altro che mettersi a lavorare e divertirsi con bagni e cucine.